Hello and welcome to tuteslearn.com. This is Virendra and we are teaching you here the HTML. So welcome to your second tutorial and we are going to start from where we had left last time. So far now we had done this, which was the very basic structure of the HTML. Now this time I'm going to give you a description about the attributes that we could use along with the body tag. So the very first tag that we use is the background. So the background is used for you can say for putting an image to the background of a web page. And what we need to do that we need to just simply need a photo. Here we are having an image file. So just go to properties, go to security, copy that path. See, close it off. Where is our HTML file there? Paste it in here. And now save it or simply file, save, close it, go to the HTML file. Now this time open this with Google Chrome. There, so you can see that these are our previous web page that was first uh, without any image, but this time as we set the image, so it gets the image in the background. So where's my HTML file? Opening it again. Actually, close it. Yeah, like this. Um, Opening the Chrome here. Yeah. So now if you delete this background in the attribute and save this, refresh it. Look, the image is gone. So what if you don't want an image but rather want a color? So when you want a color, you simply write bg color instead of background and give a respective color that you prefer. For the background, yellow, I prefer. Save it. Either press this or Control S. So save. Refresh it. Look, yellow background. Want it red? You can also do that. Save it. Control S. Refresh like that. What if you there are millions of color in the world, so if you don't know the exact name of the color, you can also put like this hash. If you want green color, for example, so 00FF00. Save that, refresh it. Look, the colors of the background is green. And how is that? Is basically because of this code. Here, if you notice, here are actually 6 digits. So these first are for the red color, these are for green, and these two are for the blue. RGB, red, green, blue, and these are the three primary colors, and these are the three colors from the combination of which all the colors had made. So 0 is the minimum value, FF is the maximum value, and 0 is again the minimum value. So red is null, green is full, and blue is null, which means the background to be green. If you want the background to be blue, then you can write 0 0, that is red is 0, green is 0, and blue is F. Save it, Control S, refresh it. Look, the background is blue. And if you want a combination of it, you can try and play it with along. For example, you can press 89 and 25, or you can even play AA and save that, or Control S and refresh it. Look, the color change accordingly. If you takes the concentration of blue to be less, for example, you take it to be 2 2, then it will be a bit reddish. Refresh it. Okay, I haven't saved it yet. Save it, refresh it. Look, combination of red and green and a bit of blue. So that's how you change the background of your web page. Now, if you need to change the color of your text too, for that there's an attribute called text, and give it a red. Save it, refresh it. There. In a similar way, you can also put codes here. 00000 is for black. Save that, refresh this. FFFFFF is for white. Save this like that. So this was the basic attributes that we used along the body tag. There are many other attributes that we would like to cover. Do we have time right now? Let me check. Okay, we could use some time. So this is the background tag. Now let's use what should we use? Okay, okay, there is another tag which is the BR, that is the breaking row. So if we type in here BR and save it, refresh it, say that BR stands for the breaking row, which means it simply breaks the row. In a similar way, if you put NBR here and refresh, save it, refresh it, you will look, it changes like that. In a similar way is there HR row, which is horizontal row and used for horizontal for giving you can say a horizontal line. So use HR tag, save that, refresh that, look, a white line. Now there are some attributes that you could use with the HR tag, and the attributes could be, for example, if you okay, you can see that it's a full length. If you need to decrease the size of it, you can simply use width to be equals 50% of the screen, like that. Save it, go in here, refresh it, and look, the size of this changes. Also, if you need to change the height of it, you use the height tag, GIGST height and 20. Notice that we are giving a number here 20, which is in pixels, and 72 pixels is equals to 1 inch. So save it, refresh. Whoa, what's wrong? GIGST height 20 pixels. Refresh. Let me check that. Wait for a while. Okay, my fault. Not height, but the size. Now save it, refresh, and whoa, it's gone. Oh, because of we left there this. Refresh this. Here you can see this is 20 pixels height of horizontal row. If you want a 1 inch, we would write it 72 F5. Look, this is 1 inch height, and if we want to change the color of it, we can also do that. And how we're gonna do that? Yeah, that's right, you guessed it right. You need to change simply color to red. Push it like that. So this was the basics for the tags. There are many more tags that we use in HTML, and I'm going to cover it in the next tutorial. For this tutorial, thank you and have a nice day. Meet you and catch you up with the next tutorial. Bye.